everyone. For a parabola y squared minus 4y minus 8x plus 28 equals 0, we have 2 points P and Q that lie on the graph. When PQ line segment is perpendicular to the axis of symmetry and passes through the focus of the parabola, we're going to find the length of this PQ. Basically, I had PD here, so this would be PQ. All right, so here's a little sketch. My axis of symmetry is this red line here. And then here's your P and Q, and it's perpendicular here, so I can just put a perpendicular line here. It's perpendicular to this line here. All right, so basically let's rewrite this equation to something we can find. Just find this focus point. Or actually, this is the focus point. This is the vertex. All right. So to find that, we're going to rewrite this. Group your y's together. And then group your x's together on this side. All right. And to complete the square, we're going to add 4 to both sides. This gives you negative 24. This side can be condensed. It's a perfect square trinomial now. I'm going to factor out an 8. I'm going to get x minus 3. Now, for the translation of, let's see, y squared equals 8x, and comparing it to this equation, it's 3 units translated along the x-axis and 2 units along the y-axis. This is the x-axis. All right. So basically, for this one, let's find our p. If we found our p for this, this would be y squared equals 4 times px. So my p to get an 8 has to be 2. Therefore, for this equation, my focus would be 2, 0, and my directrix would be x equals negative 2. I didn't leave enough room. All right. Excuse me. Now, for our equation that we have, that means I'm going to write my focus, and I put 2, 0. But for the x, that's 3 units, so we're going to add 3. And for the y, we add 2, because that's the 2 units. So the focus that we have for this is 5, 2. So this is 5, 2. All right, and then for your directrix, we have negative 2 here at x equals negative 2. So the directrix is just going to be x equals negative 2, and then we're doing the 3 units on the x. So you add 3. So that's going to be 1. So here's your directrix. And remember, your vertex here is the midpoint between the two. So now that you have that, we can look at PF. So we have PF here equals PH by definition of parabola. So when you go to the focus to some point, that's the same distance from that point to the directrix when you make a right angle here. All right, so that's going to equal absolute value of 5 minus 1, which equals 4. So the length of PF equals the length of FQ, because this is the axis of symmetry. So these two equal as well. So that also equals 4. So if this equals 4 and this equals 4, our P, and this is supposed to be Q again, our PQ equals 4 plus 4, which equals 8. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.